Morning. Right, what I'm going to teach you is, remember the other day I was sort of trying to explain about keeping a hand position and going through all the different notes in the 12 note octave. So um, I'll just try and do something simple just by doing this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play this, and then I'm going to sort of experiment with the idea. Right. Right, all I'm doing there is I'm using this and going like that, up and down. It's dead simple. Just it's like a practice exercise on finger positions, on what fingers should go where, and in what order. So just practice that, like on a tabletop, and then use your other fingers to create like patterns. What it does is it keeps your fingers and hands fingers by kind of like doing that kind of pattern exercise. It keeps your fingers sort of motivated, kind of a thing. Because you'll come across sometimes where it is very difficult to play certain chords or certain pieces of music because it seems difficult, like it's a stretch for you, or it might be like very intricate or complicated. But by doing exercises, you're sort of relaxing all your muscles in your fingers, so things aren't too much of a strain. So I'll just have a mess about, and I might involve my other hand, but you'll understand what I'm doing, right? It's all about messing about and experimenting with something. Right, what I'm going to do now is if you play the B chord, you're only using your first three, your thumb and these two fingers here. So remember that 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 is how your hand is positioned. Right, take that idea and go through as many chords that you know about, and do the same sort of arpeggiation or sequence. little thing that I do, which it's also got nothing to do with this, but it doesn't matter. I'll play it anyway. So I'm going to use two hands, and I'm going to attempt to do this. Right. I'll do that slowly so you can see what I'm doing. Right. All I'm doing there is creating a hand gesture with my hand and doing it here, and then moving it over to the E and doing the same thing, and then up to the B again. I'm only using 3 fingers. I'm using my thumb, the next finger and my little finger. So this is what I'm actually doing. So I'm going so, and then I'm using my left hand as the bass note on this note, this note and this note. So I'm just doing it slowly. Mistake, hang on. So I'm going to repeat that at a slow pace. Right, you use that idea of keeping the same finger positions when you need to go to different, you know, like I'm playing here and then I'm playing here and then I'm playing here. So I'm using the same finger position and sort of shape at different parts of the keyboard. So what I'm doing is I'm just using the same hand shape. I'm going kind of like experimenting and just putting that same finger shape over any keys that it rests on. So it's a good exercise to sort of loosen your hands and sort of loosen your fingers, you know, before you actually start reading any music or trying to play something or anything like that. It's a good fingering exercise.